Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Plus, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So I will present to you different approaches to this problem. I will also note which one is the most reliable, let's say. So let's pretend I've got some problems with Chrome, so with my browser, which is not here. But let's pretend that I've got problems with this app. So let's find the app, tap on it and hold it, and then go to this info icon. So the first thing I highly recommend to do is to scroll and go to this usage section and go to storage. As you can see, here we've got something which is called cache. Cache are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere and cause some different problems. So simply tap on clear cache here, and your device will immediately remove those files. You can try to open the app after that. However, to be honest, I'm not really sure if it will work without the combination with other operations. So after that, I highly recommend to also tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is working in the background, it might have some problems with the reopening operation. So just tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now all of the processes were turned off, and you can try to open the app, and sometimes it works. Another thing that you can do is to check for the updates, because if you've got the newer system and you've got an old app, there might be some problems with the usage. So all you have to do is to open the Play Store. Of course, you need to be logged in, so just do it. And make sure that you've got the internet connection, and here enter the name of the app that you'd like to update. Of course, it will not work with the apps that are provided by the developer and that are not able to be simply updated. They are updated via system updates, and I will show you later on how to do it. All right, so let's enter the name of the app. Here we've got the results, and if the update is available, your device will show it to you. So instead of open, you will have this big button update. So I highly recommend to tap on update, and your device will download the newer version and overwrite it over the older one. And to be honest, this option should fix the issue. There is a possibility of 99%, let's say. However, there's still this 1% when the app will still not work. And why? Basically, it is because if we are downloading the newer version and we are overwriting it, I mean, the older version is overwritten by the newer one, there could be some problems with this overwriting thing. Some errors, some kind of crashes, and that's why probably the update didn't work. And in that case, I highly recommend to come back to this section here in the Play Store, just tap on the app and then tap on uninstall, let your device fully uninstall the app and then install it again, because thanks to it, your device will directly install the newest version without this overwriting. So you can simply avoid those crashes between the files. So this is how to fix this problem. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates. So all you have to do is to go to the settings and then scroll all the way down and find software update, and simply tap on check for updates. If your device will find any kind of update, I highly recommend to download it, not only for the sake of fixing the app, but also for your own security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.